Hello, if you're joining us, welcome. Traders Cafe. I'm not on every single day, but let me just show you some stuff, man. Oh my God. Guys, you notice this week, the market has stayed pretty much in range. Slow volume week, of course. You have Christmas, you have New Year's coming up, but believe it or not, when it's a ranging week, meaning the market is staying in one range, guys, there's nothing better than that because you are literally buying the bottom and selling the top. We just got another big trade on the NASDAQ. I traded the NASDAQ again from the bottom, guys. There's just not more, something easier. I mean, you're buying the bottoms and you're selling the tops. That's what you're doing. I'm a buyer because of several reasons. It's a bullish market. I have minus development area here, a big one. The market can come up and get this. I don't like to short, but again, I don't know, 5-6 trades today from the bottom, big time on the NASDAQ, almost 100 handles each. There's another one right here. Let me show you the 1 minute. There it is. Another big trade on the NASDAQ. Just got the bottom here. And why the bottom? Look there. Look at the week, man. Everything has been bought from down here. Let me go back. Draw a box. Whole area. Guys, that's what you have to see when I understand people, selling patterns and selling charts and selling, hey, look at a month back, look at this candle or whatever. And look, man, you got to understand the macro side of the market. It's a ranging market. Why? Again, end of the year. It did do a little rally here at the end of the year, which is great. Market is ranging up here. Is it going to break the top? It could, but low volume is telling you, hey, they're selling the tops, man, buying the bottoms. Amazing trades. If you want to get granular, you want to see, okay, why is it bouncing? Well, look, 1 minute W. I'll show you on ES because I follow ES. It's a little bit better than for me. Little W setting up right here. If you go back. Same deal down here. That 69 levels are important. 69.39, we'll call that. Yesterday 30. Was it 30? It was 40. No, say 39. I think it was for us. I'll show you our levels here. Show you really quick. 69.50, 36. Monday low. Here's 40, 39. I believe I had a 39 there. It's gone, but anyways, guys, gets close to that area. Has to be bought, right? They bought it on Tuesday. ETH. Here's RTH. Low. Bought it again. You have to see the market that way. And see why does the market bounce. When it does, why our people, here's a 15. All of our levels are here. Put our levels every single day. Now for the future, no pun intended. The 20 area. Why the 20 area? Look at the history, guys. Big old FEG sitting there. Then you got a gap at 6,900. So there's some levels that we're looking at for later. Could be next week. Starts breaking the Monday low. Okay, guys, Monday, we'll come back. It can be, the 20 area and 6,900 again. Why? There's a big old gap down here. It needs to be priced in. Guys, the market will come down here and price this in. It will. So, I'm a buyer. I like that push because it is maintaining this whole area for the week, low volume week. Big money's on vacation. So it's been a really great week buying the bottoms, selling the tops. Our watch zone up here, give or take. Right here, 60, 61 area. We still hit it. Pan came down, hit it again last night, and twice today and slammed down. But we're expecting that. We're expecting that range to hold. Friday came down to this whole area here. If you look at a bigger time frame, you reset. It's your 30-minute. Again, these are our levels. They've been here for a while, guys. Breaks 36, Monday low. Is going to come down here and get this gap at 24, 23 or so. Remember, 13, bounce right off of it. 6,900 gap. Guys, like the channel. Now that you're here, there's a lot of people trading out there. I'm going to show you some background, guys, here. Come to www.mytraderscafe.com. Here's our website. Here's my office, guys. We're very serious about the market. You can subscribe, $89 a month. That's it. Come down here. We have order flow analysis. We will teach you. It's a robot that trades. I'm about to show you what the robot has done for today. Zero DTE, which is the options side of the market, guys. Options is what runs this market. I get my levels because of options. It's public. Options are going to come in and tell you where they're buying and where they're selling every single day. So that's what we look at as an analysis. We got, of course, premium discount, order blocks, FEGs, trading setups, news. You guys come and check it out. MyTradersCafe.com. You can read about me, how I got into the markets, which I need to update that really. This is the robot that we are currently, you're about to see it. Amazing, amazing, amazing robots. Remember, CFTC Rule 441. Know why you are getting in these markets and know that you can lose money, guys. Don't let the guys from YouTube tell you, oh, we'll show you make $1 million. Yeah, well, you can, but you can also lose $1 million. You can contact us on that page. Testimonials, people are speaking about us, equipment setup. Here's what you're seeing. Here's the Stream Deck. I've programmed it to take trades instead of using the mouse. Very easy to do. Very nice. And of course, your disclaimer, CFTC for Rule 441. Remember, you can lose money in this market, guys. Don't come in and don't lie to your brokerage and say, oh, yeah, no, I can play with this money. Guys, gotta be careful, okay? It's good to learn the markets, but you gotta be careful with the markets, man, guys. So that's where we're at today, guys. That's where we're at. Again, I'm Albert, trading the futures markets every single day. I'm not on TikTok every day. Looks like an inverted head and shoulders here, guys. Let me show you the bigger chart. EMA is there. Let me show you here if I can. Maybe they want to close the market out. It's your low, recent low. That's a bullish pattern. I know the NASDAQ is not cooperating. You guys are just staying within range. Coming back down. See your NASDAQ there, ES. ES is trying to go up, so I'm going to push this NASDAQ up. Oh, there's a Dow too. What time is it? It is 3:31. Dow's pushing up. Should push this ES up. NASDAQ should be a buy. NASDAQ coming down a little bit. Inverted head and shoulders too, creating that right shoulder. But then again, it's in range, guys. No real money's coming in here doing anything with the market. You guys subscribe to our channel, like the channel. You guys that are in here, go ahead and tap on the glass, like the channel. There's your NASDAQ. It's about to push up here. If ES follows that Dow's running, guys. We watch all three. Like our channel, guys. Let me show you our robot really quick. It's on our Discord channel. Let me make this bigger so you can see it. Guys, this robot is killing the market. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Here it is. We got the short, guys. Middle of the day. Big short here. It is bouncing up and down because today was a little, choppy. But pre-market, it totally killed this market. Has some buys and some sells that were 70, 80 handles on NASDAQ. Also, if you trade ES and NASDAQ's a little creepy, I know. But you trade ES, you bring ES up. And it's done some beautiful trades on ES, buys and sells. Big buy here, just kept buying all day pretty much. It's doing good. It is in a buy right now, but it's been choppy a little bit of day to day. Inverted head and shoulders. NASDAQ did go up a little bit there, but it's 3:30 on the last day of the year, guys. I wouldn't trust this market now if you haven't done anything. You guys that like the channel, man. You guys that are here, you're hanging out. Like the channel looks like NASDAQ wants to come up. It will follow ES if ES blows up. So yeah, same pattern, inverted head and shoulders. Same pattern. Here's your left shoulder. If you know anything about the market, Series 3, if you're opening up a hedge fund, this is the pattern that they speak about. They speak about certain patterns in the Series 3 book, and this is one of them, okay? Because it works quite a few times. If you see it here, it's working on ES. NASDAQ's pushing up. That's $200-300 trade right there. Why the Dow's taking off? We watch the Dow also. Now I make it slammed up here because, again, it's in range. If you see, let me pull up a bigger chart. If you see here, let me do 1 minute here so you can see this. 6950 has been the middle, POC, point of control, pretty much. Okay, guys? 6950. So we got a 6950 there. Anything below or above, we've been buying or selling. Okay? If you look at minus development areas on your value area, you look at this. All these little minus development nodes, guys, are triggers for the market to go to. Areas for the market to go to. Look, 68, 48, where did it go? This morning. 3 o'clock, 68.48. This morning, afternoon, I should say, 12.18, 68.48. There's a big gap here before, so the market filled that in and came back up. FEG, Fair Value Gaps. I'm sure you guys are known, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, it's simply candles that don't have anything around it at first. Blew up, came all the way back down. And if you notice, let me draw a line right here. Would have been complete this fair value gap to get filled. All the way down, sweeps the low there. Take people out, boom, and go back up. People got the stops here. Goes right back up. There was one right here. Let me raise that line. There was one right here too. You start looking at the market, you'll start knowing what these are right there. And look at here. Here's give or take the top of it. Where did it go? Look at here. Came back, close it, slams all the way back down again. And here it is. Comes back. Another low here. Swing, boom. This is the one we just got on that trade. Robot got it too. It's programmed to where we trade. Pre-market, forget it. All right, guys, pre-market, 2 o'clock in the morning, same deal, man. 43, remember, 36, one of the morning low. And we've had this for a while, guys. I can show you I've had that level there for a minute. It goes all the way, you start going back and say, where did I get that level from? Let's see, 2 hours. Let me look at 2 hour. 36, where it came off of. Let me show you, man. This is all the way from the top on Monday, December 15th. Created a top, slammed down, came back, went through it. That was where we respected it on Monday. You can go all-time highs again. But we got some big gaps down here too, guys, that we are, hopefully, we can get to 6850 area. Be nice, 6900, break that and come down here. That would be cool. Those are the things we're looking at, man. Just your 1 minute. Went through. It's just in range. People know so they're shorting the tops, buying the bottoms. That's like they get a bump there, came back down. So it's the end of the day, guys, pretty much. You got 40 minutes left in the market. I wouldn't do any trading here. It is looking like ES wants to go up, man. That NASDAQ's going to chase. Maybe end up at the top. Maybe with low volume will get you, watch zone up here. Watching up here at 61. Go all the way back, Y61. Here's for your Monday high. That's what's in a big range. Monday high, hit it today, boom, slam right back down. So you got to watch that too. I know patterns are important. People preach it. Hey, I get it. We're position traders, and also we do look at patterns in the market. Definitely, 100%. You got to know it all. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about, people calling me and blowing up accounts on prop firms and things like that. Guys, look. Let me make a clearer page here. I'm gonna be honest with you. Most people are over trading in the market. Most people are over trading in the market. Let me write some stuff down so you can see it. You have a $3,000 deal in a prop firm that tells you is 50,000, 50K. But your drawdown is $3,000. Guys, 1%, it should be $30 a day. You go per day. You go, Albert, that's not enough money. Per day. Well, 3,000 times 20, how much is it? Come on, you math was out there. 3,000 times 20. Tell me. Come on the chat. Huh? 30 times 20, I should say. $600, guys. That is 20% of this. 20 trading days a month. $600. People say that's not enough money. Well, you're going to blow this up. Sometimes it's more, man. Sometimes you're going to make 60. Believe me, guys, you will pass that account if you just stay nice and safe, be conservative. This 30 is going to be way more a day. I mean, I'm just saying that should be your bottom. Why? Because the drawdown on this account on $3,000 is going to kill you in one trade if you don't manage it. Remember, you got to do it like real money. You may not believe me, but you'll be buying a bunch of prop accounts if you don't listen. Most people don't. If you want to do a little more, get a bigger account. But I'm just showing you on a small, prop account if that's what you guys are doing. Most people won't. Most people won't do it. You may get lucky, you may pass that account really quicker. But when it comes to real money, guys, you got to be careful. You got to know what you're doing. We trade real money every day. Um, we you just got to be careful, man, because if you get used to a prop account and you're passing accounts great or whatever, and you're trading big, you're over trading your accounts, you're gonna blow it up. That's how everybody makes their money. Those prop accounts make money. There's no discipline. Start doing math, man. That $30 a day is a $300 a day in a normal mini account. That $30 a day, $30 per day, equals to a $300 per day in a regular mini account. Just $30 trade. Over time, get some money under your belt. This is doable. People don't preach this. They want you to make $3 million a day, and it just doesn't work that way. You got to know the market. You do this $30 every day, just a matter of putting more heat on your trade, you'll do $300 a day. Minis is $30 or $300. Let's move the decimal over. I've been trading 8 years now, guys. Trust me, a lot of people call me blowing up accounts. If they'll do good until the market goes down, they can't manage their risk. They keep adding and adding, and they blow up their account. Happens all the time. So at first, you might not know a lot about the market. So you got to be conservative. You got to say, okay, how am I going to trade this? What am I going to do? You don't know how to trade. You got to learn how to trade. Anyways, the same within range, guys. I'm just going to come in here and talk to you about that, guys. Like the channel. No, we don't trade. We don't trade stocks. I'll pull up Tesla, but we don't trade stocks. Tesla, I watch for the Nasdaq because I trade the Nasdaq. Here's a gap close right here on Tesla today. If you're trading Tesla, you should know that gap's going to be closed at some point. What did it do today? Slammed down, closed it. FVG gap right here. Right here, I draw it really quick. What did the market do? Look where it went. This, you draw a line. What is it? Give or take. Close gap, went back up, close gap, slammed right back down again. Tesla, bigger picture. Let me go 4 hours so you can see it. Got a little gap on the 4 hour here. It needs to stay over, of course, 443.36 here. May test that to bounce. It needs to stay over it to keep going. You go to 15 so you can see. Let me do 30. Cover a little more. It's been getting hurt. So it may trickle down here again. And see, it did close this gap here. Look at the 15-minute. That big gap. It closed it. Came back down, closed it. It's at 443 or so. It's 441. It needs to stay over that to continue. Bounce. Remember, guys, New Year coming up. We're expecting a big pullback. It not happened January, February, but we're expecting inflation. Everything else. You got to be realistic and say, hey, man, be careful. Tesla, that's a beautiful trade if you got Tesla today. Close gap and slammed right back down, man. Close, priced all this in here. Got to watch this bottom here for 454. I'm just seeing it now. So for whatever market starts again Monday, I think. Maybe hey tonight. I'm not really sure the schedule. Its gaps are telling you it's going to come down and close out. It will do that. It'll take a minute, but yeah, we don't do stocks. I do look at Tesla and I look at Nvidia for Nasdaq. They're both doing great. Pullbacks here and there, they're doing good. ES is closing here. It's flat, guys. Flat. You got 10 minutes. Remember, 350 is buy and sell programs come into the market. Try to balance everything out. Be careful with 350. You may see a push or push down. The market. Here's our levels again. Top highs here. Gotta move these up for Monday. that Fiddy staying like in the middle there. That's like the middle of POC, point of control. Here comes 350. You're going to see the market respond here in about 30 seconds. If it goes down to the bottom, probably a buying opportunity, guys. You're expecting these levels all week out here. Monday was the crusher, if you know. See 350 here, and oh, here we go. Nothing, nada, nope. They just no money in the market. So, guys, have a good New Year's. We'll see you later. Take care. Like the channel. Go ahead and tap it. That's pretty much it, guys. I don't know if the market's open tonight. I have to check the schedule. And like the channel, guys, and we're here, you know, quite a few times, but not every single day. A lot of videos on YouTube. You go to YouTube channel, go to traderscafe.com. We like guns, so if you don't like guns, I don't know if you should go here. Here's Traders Cafe. We have videos that we do post. You guys come here and check it out. There's our videos here. You can check it out. So we'll see you later. Have a good New Year's, guys. Take care. Be careful. And we'll see you later. Take care, man. God bless you guys. We'll see you.